Hello guys, you're welcome to today's lesson on EDULEZONE English tips. In today's lesson, we will learn about plural nouns. And in this lesson, we are going to focus on fruits. Are you ready? If you are ready, sit back, relax, and write on with me. Let's go. Apple, apples. Plum, plums. Banana, bananas. Watermelon, watermelons. Mangosteen, mangosteens. Coconut, coconuts. Pear, pears. Lemon, lemons. Orange, oranges. Peach, peaches. Cherry, cherries. Blueberry, blueberries. Strawberry, strawberries. I hope you were able to learn the singular and plural nouns using fruits. If you love the lesson, please don't forget to follow us on our social media platform so that you'll be able to get all our videos every day whenever we upload a new video. And I would like to ask you one question. What is your favorite fruit? Tell me the name of the fruit that is in the singular and plural noun. Don't forget to follow